Today I will teach you all the shortcuts of Ctrl button in Excel from Ctrl A to Ctrl Z. Ctrl A is used to select all items. If we click a cell inside data, the command will select all items within that data. Ctrl A has selected items within data. This data was not selected. Select empty cell and press Ctrl A. It will select everything in the sheet, including both data. Highlight the covered command. Ctrl B will make the content bold. Choose a cell and click Ctrl B, it will turn bold. Ctrl C is a common command that most users will know about. It's to copy objects. Ctrl V will paste the object in selected cell. Ctrl D will copy formula downward. It's also used for creating duplicate. Let's create formula. Select the cells below and click Ctrl D. It will apply the formula on downward cells. This command is also used to duplicate objects. Click Insert, Shapes, choose Arrow, and draw arrow anywhere. Click Ctrl D and the arrow will be duplicated. Ctrl E is for flash fill. This command will automatically fill the data as per written way. Ctrl F will open a window to find for a specific term. I will find Sam in my data using Ctrl F command. And here it is. Ctrl G will open Go to Options window. Click Special and you can choose blanks or go to last cell or find any specific cell by its number. Ctrl H is to replace an item. Let's replace Sam with Tim. And the name is being replaced. Ctrl I will change font to italic. Ctrl K is to enter a hyperlink. If your data has any website address, you can add it as a hyperlink, or you can insert your mail address as hyperlink. Ctrl L will change the data into a table. Ctrl N will open a new workbook. Ctrl O will open a new file. Ctrl P is used to print the Excel sheet. Ctrl Q is used to access to quick analysis menu, where you can apply conditional formatting on your data. Ctrl R will copy formula to the right side. I will create a value, make selection, and press Ctrl R. The value will be copied to the right. Ctrl S will save the current worksheet. Ctrl T is to convert the data into a table. Ctrl U will underline the selected items. Ctrl W is a shortcut to close the current file. Ctrl X is used to cut the original object and paste it somewhere else. Ctrl Y is used to redo the previous selection. Ctrl Z is undo command. Any mistake being made can instantly undone with Ctrl Z.